telling you a story using this filter. It's midnight, and Oliver is outside, pooping. The toilet's broken. He wipes his butt with children and heads back inside, when suddenly he hears a noise from the bathroom. Jay! He grabs a woman for protection and heads to the bathroom. What does he find? It's Bob Marley. He's crawled through the toilet and he's holding a dildo as a weapon. It's me, Bob Marley, and I've come to open your d. Oliver pop and locks in fear. But before Bob Marley can get out the toilet, Oliver queefs and flushes the handle. He watches as Bob Marley